Hey guys, it's Lara Savage here. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited. This is December, this is the Christmas period, and I am so ready for Vlogmas. Now, during the days of my Vlogmas, I'm going to be showing you guys DIY sewing tutorials that you can make for Christmas. I'm going to be unboxing some amazing things that I got for myself. So many things, my gardening journey with my plants. So get ready for these amazing videos. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this fabric wreath. I so much love this method of making this fabric wreath and I enjoyed the entire process, and I'm ready to show you guys how to make it here in this video. Let's get into it. And guys, this is what it looks like. I love how it's turned out. I love this bow right here. You can even use a fabric bow. And yes, the fairy lights are ferrying, guys. I love how it looks. I love how it pops. I love everything about this fabric wreath, and I hope you guys love it as well. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers on all my social handles, even here on YouTube. I'm going to share it with everyone. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please subscribe. Watch my other videos. Watch them to the end. Help me get to my monetization threshold. Give me that Christmas gift of getting my monetization this month, and I would be so, so super grateful. And guys, until my next amazing Vlogmas, it's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.